Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet a golf hat. We'll start by creating the foundation for your hat. First, make a magic ring or chain 2, then work 6 single crochet stitches into it. For the second round, increase to 12 stitches by crocheting 2 single crochets into each stitch. Keep increasing evenly in the following rounds to form the crown, ensuring a flat circle. This initial step is crucial for the hat's overall shape and fit. Now that your crown is complete, it's time to shape the body of the hat. Once the crown measures about 6 to 7 inches across, stop increasing your stitches. From this point, you will work 1 single crochet stitch into each stitch around. Continue crocheting in continuous rounds without any increases until the hat body reaches a length of approximately 5 to 6 inches. This creates the straight sides of your golf hat. The brim is a key feature of any golf hat, providing essential sun protection. To start the brim, you'll begin increasing stitches evenly around the last round of your hat body. A good starting point is to work 2 single crochet stitches into every second or third stitch, creating a gentle flare. Continue increasing in the following rounds, adjusting the frequency of your increases to achieve your desired brim width, typically around 2 to 3 inches. You're almost done. Once your brim has reached the desired width, it's time for the finishing touches. Fasten off your yarn, leaving a tail of about 6 inches, and then carefully weave in all loose ends using a yarn needle. For a personalized touch, consider adding a decorative band or an embroidered motif. Finally, block your finished hat. This helps it maintain its shape and gives it a polished, professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.